Hey everyone. Welcome back to Pure Health Through Food. If you've ever wondered when's the best time to take apple cider vinegar for the most benefits, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down exactly when and how to consume it, what it does inside your body at those times, and a few important do's and don'ts that can make all the difference. So, grab your drink, get comfortable, and let's explore the power of apple cider vinegar, nature's golden tonic. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been used for thousands of years from ancient Greece to traditional Chinese medicine. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, once prescribed vinegar mixed with honey as a natural healing tonic. It's made by fermenting crushed apples with yeast and good bacteria, producing acetic acid, the active compound responsible for most of its health benefits. This simple liquid supports digestion, metabolism, detoxification, and even helps balance blood sugar. But what's fascinating is when you drink it can completely change how your body reacts. Science backs this up. Research shows that taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar diluted in a glass of water before eating can help control blood sugar spikes and improve insulin sensitivity. Studies suggest that the acetic acid in vinegar slows the breakdown of carbohydrates and helps your body use glucose more efficiently. Timing morning or evening matters less than taking it consistently and safely diluted. Let's start with morning use, one of the most popular times people take apple cider vinegar. After a night's rest, your stomach is empty, and your body is ready to activate digestion. Taking 1 tablespoon of ACV in a glass of warm water, before breakfast, can stimulate digestive juices, preparing your gut for food, support metabolism and energy levels, help maintain balanced blood sugar throughout the morning. Some people like to add a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of lemon for taste and added antioxidants. However, make sure it's diluted. Never drink ACV straight, as it can irritate your throat and damage tooth enamel. For most people, before breakfast or 15 to 20 minutes before eating works best. Another powerful time to take apple cider vinegar is right before meals, especially heavier ones. When you take a diluted ACV mix about 10 to 15 minutes before eating, it can slow down how quickly food leaves your stomach, so you feel full longer. Prevent large spikes in blood sugar after eating. Improve digestion, especially for protein-rich meals. This is one reason many people use ACV for weight management and better nutrient absorption. A simple mix could be 1 tablespoon ACV in a large glass of water. Optional, 1 teaspoon honey or cinnamon for flavor and gut support. If you find your energy drops mid-afternoon, or cravings hit after lunch, ACV can help here too. A small, diluted glass between meals may help stabilize blood sugar. Reduce midday fatigue. Support healthy digestion after heavier lunches. Just be careful not to overdo it. Once or twice a day is enough for most adults. Now, here's a question many viewers ask: can I drink apple cider vinegar at night? The answer is yes. But with balance. If you experience acid reflux or bloating at night, taking a small amount of ACV before dinner may actually help calm digestion. Some people find it helps them sleep better, especially when mixed with warm water and a touch of honey. However, avoid drinking it right before bed. Lying down immediately after may cause discomfort. Try to take it 30 to 45 minutes before sleep, if you prefer an evening dose. So, when's the best time overall? That depends on your body and your goals. For digestion and metabolism. Morning before breakfast. For blood sugar and cravings. Before meals or midday. For better sleep and gentle detox. Early evening. Try experimenting for a week or 2 and notice how your body responds. Everyone's rhythm is different, so listen to what works best for you. A few important reminders: always dilute apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon per large glass of water. Use raw, unfiltered ACV with the mother. That's where the live enzymes and probiotics are. Avoid metal containers. Use glass or plastic. If you have ulcers, acid reflux, or are on medication, consult a professional before starting. Too much is not better. Moderation is key. So, there you have it. The best times and safest ways to drink apple cider vinegar for real results. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves natural remedies, and don't forget to subscribe to Pure Health Through Food for more weekly tips on healing and nourishment through the power of nature. Drop a comment below and let me know. When do you prefer taking apple cider vinegar? Morning, before meals, or at night? Your feedback helps us grow this community of natural health lovers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.